Hello everyone, my name Dinda Rahimatul Mardian from Informatic Engineer Sanggabuana University. In this video, I'm gonna review a journal that created by Mr. Ali Horenas PhD, Mr. Hasan Dinkes PhD, and Mr. Umit Hahyolo PhD from Department of International Logistics, Istanbul Commerce University, and Department of Capital Market and Portfolio Management, Beyken University, Istanbul, Turkey. The journal to be reviewed is journal about application of multi-objective optimization on the basis of ratio analysis or MORA method for bank branch location selection. First, location selection problem in banking is an important issue for the commercial success in competitive environment. There is a strategic fit between the location selection decision and overall performance of a new branch. Providing physical service in requested location as well as alternative distribution channels to meet profitable client needs is the current problematic to achieve the competitive advantage over the rivalry in financial system. In this journal, an integrated model has been deployed to support in decision of branch location selection for a new bank branch. Analytic hierarchy process or HHP technique has been conducted to prioritize of evaluation criteria and multi-objective optimization on the basis of ratio analysis or MORA method has been applied to rank location alternative of bank branch. Many countries before globalization strictly regulated the financial system, permitted limitedly to open branch abroad and resisted the international financial transaction in the worldwide. In this case, the competition in the financial system remain in the local area and new service and product of the banking sector were provided for only national client. The rival situation such as incomparable pricing mechanism for particularly have given global service and were unable to get the most profitable global customer. These were the main problem in the lack of the global competition by the globalization process, by the productivity and efficiency in production economies has become an important concern to ensure the competitive advantage. Especially the new economy process emerged by the 1990s require to consider the strategic thinking such as competitive pricing, providing the service just in time and changing demand according the customer need. Although all the items are significantly related to the customer oriented beneficial determinants, the main problem for the firm is to find the strategies that reducing operational costs and determining attractive location as well as providing customer satisfaction. Bank branch location is one of the most important strategic issues in the complex market competitiveness. Increasing new service facility and internet-based banking application force the firm to give face-to-face service more efficiently than competitors. That's why the nearest location should be found to provide the most profitable and productive service for concession customer. In this study, bank branch determinants has been revealed and related demographic, economic, and investment parameter has been determined to find out the best branch location. AHP and Mora method also have been considered to evaluate the best bank branch location in inter-country comparison. For the next, I have a simulation on the Excel about the AHP and Mora method for bank branch location selection. In this study, the location selection model contains 3 main criteria with 11 sub-criteria. First is demographic criteria or C1, include 3 sub-criteria, that's total population, literacy rate, and urbanization rate. Second is economic criteria or C2, contain 4 sub-criteria, namely gross domestic product, spending on education, employment rate, and inflation rate in consumer price. The third is investment and banking criteria or C3, consists 4 criteria, namely total business spending on investment, number of domestic companies listed on the stock exchange, bank capital to asset ratio, and domestic credit by banking sector. Okay, as you can see, this table is table list of evaluation criteria for bank branch location selection. Okay, on this journal, they using analytic hierarchy process method to determine overall priority weights of criteria. In the first step of the solution, analytic hierarchy process is applied to assign priorities of criteria to construct the pairwise comparison matrix for the evaluation criteria and expert team constitute 3 decision maker from they call in this journal is XYZ Bank, namely general manager, head of the branch network development department, head of strategic planning department, and 2 academicians from department of banking and capital market constructor and expert team for determine consensus criteria priority. Okay, the next table is the pairwise comparison matrix of the main criteria. Okay, as you can see, this is the demographic criteria, economic criteria, investment, and banking criteria. And for the weight value is right here. For criteria 1 is 0.115, criteria 2 is 0.405, criteria 3 is 0.480. Okay, the next table is the pairwise comparison matrix of the demographic criteria. As you can see, here is weight value, or total population weight value is right here. Literacy rate weight value is right here, and urbanization rate is right here. Okay, the next table is the pairwise comparison matrix of economic criteria. Then the next table is the pairwise comparison matrix of investment and banking criteria. Okay. On this table we got the priority of main criteria. For demographic criteria we got 0.115, Economy criteria we got 0.405. Investment and banking criteria is 0.480, just like this table. Okay, and for the each criteria we got priority with the cluster right here, same like all this table. Okay, for the overall priority, we on this journal, priority value of priority times 2 value of priority within the cluster, then we got overall priority right here. According to analytic hierarchy process result, XYZ Bank give more importance to total business spending on investment, gross domestic product, domestic credit by banking sector, and employee rate in determining the best location alternative. After that, ranking of the location alternative on this journal is using Mora method. Okay. After the pairwise comparison and determine of the weight of criteria with respect to the goal, alternative are evaluated with criteria value of location alternative by Mora method. For possible country location alternative, like L1, L2, L3, and L4 are evaluated to open new bank branch. As you can see, this table is value for evaluation criteria to alternative location. Value from this table I got from the journal. So after that, then the next table is dimensionless number for each location alternative. On the journal they use the Mora method to get this value. Okay, for criteria weight, they got from the table before right here, from overall priority. And for the criteria situation, the plus sign is for benefit criteria and the minus sign is about cost criteria. Okay, the sum between benefit, for the next table we sum the journal sum between benefit with benefit value right here and cost value with cost value. So they got weighted as same value and ranking for location selection problem on this table. As you can see, the location 1, the sum of benefit criteria is 0.397. For location 2 is 0.340. Location 3 is 0.418. For location 4 is 0.539. For the cost criteria, location 1 is 0.018. Location 2 is 0.049. Location 3 is 0.008. And location 4 is 0.035. For the weight assessment value, the benefit criteria value is minus cost criteria value. So we got for location 1 is 0.379 for weight assessment value. Location 2 is 0.291. Location 3 is 0.410. And location 4 is 0.504. Okay, based on evaluation criteria, which obtained by analytic hierarchy process, and the result of Mora as present in this table. Okay, occur the rank of alternative as location 4, location 3, location 1, and location 2. Decision metric for Mora method with criteria weight and dimensionless number calculation are presented. The benefit, cost, and weighted assessment value are listed for all location alternative Mora ranking results so that location 4 is the best choice among the 4 location alternative. End of the presentation is conclusion that bank branch location is a critical issue to evaluate the banking performance. Although there are a lot of studies on the bank branch performance, comprehensive parameters on the international branch location are so limited for the best location selection. The study covered the banking-based determinants as well as investment, economic, and demographic factors. In the study, analytic hierarchy process method has been used to construct the weight of decision criteria, and Mora method has been also applied to determine the best alternative for the new bank branch location. The empirical study show that the most important criteria is determined as total business spending on investment, and location 4 is chosen among the 4 branch location alternative. According to the weight of criteria, overall priority of demographic factor is relatively less than other main criteria. However, experts' choice indicate that investment and banking criteria have a strategic role in the best location selection decision, especially spending on investment, domestic product, and credit demand have the first 3 ranked in the weight of criteria. The result demonstrate that domestic credit demand may enhance due to the increasing investment and production in the target location. Thus, the bank branch can get more profitable and productive than other location. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. I hope you guys understand. Don't forget to hit the button like and subscribe this channel and share this video. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.